rebranded my podcast purely because, I've evolved. My vision has become so much more bigger. And initially, when I started the Queenie Effect podcast, it was really about my own journey, my personal journey, and how I was evolving into this next level leader. And I've grown so much right now that my vision is more than just my own journey, and I want to help elevate and inspire women through other women's stories as well. And so through the evolution of me and who I've become today, and also, my vision expanding, I realized that I also need to expand the way that I deliver my message. And so the benefit for you listening at home is that you're going to be able to benefit from other people's stories. You're going to be able to learn from other women who have gone before you, and there might be some men, by the way, who have gone before you, and how they've been able to navigate life challenges, their vision, etc. And I'm super excited about the rebranding, the relaunching, and of my podcast, because I truly believe in it, and I know that we're going to be able to serve hundreds and thousands of women. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum, I'm a business success coach for women who are building businesses, particularly women over 40, but I do have younger clients as well. It took me some time to accept my gift zone. It took me some time to really understand that this was my mission and this was my assignment given to me. I was born poor. I had 2 dining chairs as my bed for the first 18 months of my life. I was brought up in a strict environment, and I'm so grateful that my parents were strict, because it helped me to become the version that I am. It's part of my story. During my 20s and through to the middle of my 30s, I had no real understanding about life. In fact, I look back at that time and I feel kind of numb. Like I really just was showing up. And I really had no purpose, no understanding of what it is that I was meant to do. And it wasn't really until I found myself by myself, and in my mid to late 30s, where I was forced to file for bankruptcy, financial bankruptcy. I'd lost money in a Ponzi scheme, a real Ponzi scheme, and I'd lost a considerable amount of money there, and really had to reevaluate my values and how I saw life and who I was, that I started to understand that I could do something meaningful with my life. And, all of these challenges and things that had happened up until that point were really by design, and that I was destined for more. And what happened is that through therapy, I realized that I really loved running, and I started running, and I joined a running club, and I was living in Brisbane, Australia at the time. And it's probably, I look back at that time as one of my happiest times, that where I really discovered myself. I really started to understand myself and what I wanted out of life. And I ended up running like my first marathon, my first half marathon. And since then I've run 12 marathons and 23 half marathons, and so many 5 and 10K races. Running is a part of my life. But it wasn't because, how can I say this? It was because I'd done that. I started doing that inner work, that I was able to connect with and fall in love with my husband. And he's someone who has seen my heart from the very beginning. He's seen who I am. And together, we've been working together, traveling together. We started a family. We've got 2 beautiful children who we love and adore, and we pour into every single day. And he has supported me from day one with my vision to be able to build something from home, to be able to stay from home, because initially that was the vision, is for me to be able to stay home with the children. But what's come out of that is this, empire in the making, and building my own coaching business, and also in alignment, at the same time, my online business that's global in health and wellness. And so what's come out of that is that, every single one of us have a story. And I think if we are able to then share those stories and inspire others, because everyone has the capacity to inspire, everyone has the capacity to be able to educate, motivate, and lead others. It's really about who you surround yourself with and what you give energy to. And so if I can just share with you as we relaunch this channel that you are meant for more. Every single one of us are meant for more. You have the capacity to achieve the things that you think about and that are in your heart. You are able to achieve those things purely by just one thing, and that is just changing your environment and surrounding yourself with people that are achieving the things that you want to achieve will instantly give you access to information, knowledge, energy that you would not have access to if you just stayed where you are. Coupled with that, you intentionally learning something new every single day, like a high-paying skill every single day, gives you the opportunity to go out and create your own business, but also facilitate the delivery of a solution for things that people need. You know, the power is in your hands. And through this podcast, what we're going to be doing is showcasing not only further insights of me evolving into this leader that I've always known that I've had within me. It's just the capacity of me believing in myself and also keep playing big and surrounding myself with big players. But also, you're going to be learning from other women who are also walking the same path as me. And if I'm truly to inspire and impact 100,000 women, then this is one of the ways that I will be doing that. And I want to share with you these stories, including my own, because I know that you are meant for more. You've come to this channel because you are meant for more. And you need to understand that and believe that. And whilst it may seem like a crazy idea right now, it seemed crazy like that for me too in 2015. But the more that you spend time with yourself, you journal, you understand yourself, the more that you give less energy to the things that are numbing you, like TV, for example, and the more you get to understand your thoughts and why you respond and react the way that you are reacting, you will understand what really is important for you and what really lights you up and what really gives you energy, because that's where you're meant to go. And so I hope with the relaunching, the rebranding, and the new direction of this channel, that you're going to not only follow, but you're going to share this channel with other people. And I want you to be prepared, because your life will change just like mine has. You see, even though I was born poor, I was brought up in a strict environment, high university dropout, I filed for bankruptcy, divorced, on paper, destined to fail. And I have failed many, many times. But the key difference between me and so many other people who have tried the same things with the same background is that I keep getting back up no matter what. And that's what I want to share with you. To become unstoppable, you need to keep getting back up. Unstoppable women are those women that could have been stopped but weren't stopped. And that is part of the journey, my friends. You are being taught lessons. You are in this moment taught to be resilient, strong, mentally strong, physically strong. Because when you are out there going to serve people and impact people, you need to be ready for it, because all of it's going to come to you. And so I'm looking forward to sharing those insights. I'm looking forward to sharing the stage with powerful women and women who are the women next door, who are doing amazing things for themselves, for their family, because you need to know that you are meant for more. You need to know that you have everything inside of you already to succeed. And you need to know that you are worthy to succeed. All you got to do is believe. And through this podcast, you're going to start believing that. I'm looking forward to sharing these stories with you. I'm looking forward to sharing more insights of what it's taken to achieve the things that I've achieved to date. And I'm looking forward to becoming that person that you lean on when times are challenged, because they're coming, my friend. Those challenging times are coming for you. But you have to know that it's all by design. They are there by design for your elevation. They are there by design for you to pull out the potential that's already inside of you. They are there by design because you are meant for more. So I'm looking forward to sharing this new direction, new vision, expansion for you. It is all for you. And you are here for a reason. You are following me for a reason. So together we can change the world. It's a matter of you just taking that step forward to becoming unstoppable. I'm looking forward to sharing with you the new episodes, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.
The Consistency Queen, brought to you by the Queenie Effect and the Tech Company. For coaching options, please visit elsamorgan.com.